Hello, my name is Logan, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on MyMac responsive. So basically, the responsive is screen responsive. So for instance, right now we have it in full desktop view, but if we had it set to a smaller screen size, for instance, mobile phones and tablets, then it is responsive to the screen size. So you'll notice here that here we have all of these options up top and all of these options on the side. So if we go ahead and go to responsive mode, then all of those options disappear. But all the ones that were across the top can be found up here. See, we have home, employee, and then they're all right there. And then all of the options that were on the side can now be found with this arrow. So we have our main menu, then we have all of our quick links. I can just show you real fast. They're all still there, but you have to use this arrow. And that completes this tutorial.